Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is a dessert recipe. I have shared a couple of dessert recipes recently, which is dessert cups or dessert box, and this is another one. And for today's dessert cups, it is maple cream dessert cups. It's pretty nice for this hot summer day and pretty simple to make. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! We're gonna make the whipped cream first. So just whip it until the cream, the liquid become cream. Now whipped cream is done. Take out most of them and leave some in the bowl. Now beat in half of cream cheese and half can of dulce de leche. And pour in about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and beat again. Heat some cream in microwave and then add in chocolate chips and stir until it becomes ganache. Break 2 ladies' fingers cookies and fill a plastic cup with them, just 2 each, and then we're gonna moisten it with a little milk. Just shake it so that it's a little moistened. Then we're gonna layer it with our ganache, prepared ganache, like so. And then we're gonna give our maple cream, and we're gonna top it with our whipped cream, and then we're gonna repeat the steps: cookies, milk, chocolate ganache, maple cream, and then whipped cream. Fill the top with whipped cream to the brim, and now we're gonna cover it with ganache and pipe a dollop of maple cream and press in 1 lady finger or half. Now your dessert cup of maple cream is ready to serve. Best is chilled, of course, for at least 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, or overnight. Enjoy!